So if you notice on my app, when I scroll down here, you'll see a couple of the course tiles have little hearts next to them. So know your app, there's a little heart there, 15 things that great investors do. There's a little heart there, and those hearts are basically me saying those are my favorite courses. And when I place a heart on a tile, those courses are collected together in a playlist for me. So this is a way of generating a playlist for you. So if you do click on a course and with a heart on there, and then you go to your Learning Hub. Now in your Learning Hub, towards the top of the page, what you will see, it's just coming up now, are your favorite courses, and they're all collected there. Now there's nothing to stop you to change this around and mess around and think, you know what, Excel Shorts, the Formula School Dynamic Arrays, which is an excellent course. Let's say for some reason that's not my favorite. I just click on the heart and the favorite courses will be updated once that internet connection is made back again. So you can change around your favorite list at your will. So that is really your playlist of your courses that you like, and it's seconds to do, very easy to manage.